Hi, hello and welcome to another video by the scientist formerly known as Nigeli. With this project I'm going to show you a very new idea that has not been shown on the internet so far, a soda can strip cutter. With just a few tools we are going to turn a regular soda can into a single long aluminum strip. It's a rewarding work and the result looks like this. This video is the first part of a series of 3 where I show the general process. More details will come in the following episodes, so please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. And if you have no idea what you can use such strips for, here's just one example. You can use them in a label printer to make embossed labels. The process starts with the removal of the bottom and the top of the soda can. Use a knife to score around the can. I do this by holding the knife on a piece of wood at the level plane and then rotate the can around. It's not necessary to cut through the aluminum. Apply some pressure with an old credit card near the score line to separate top and bottom part. We keep the bottom of the soda can and glue a nut in the middle, which fits a threaded rod. The can body is now pressed upside down onto the prepared bottom. To reinforce the soda can, a pipe insulation foam is added. A second soda can part is added onto the top. A detailed instruction how to make these reusable clamps will follow in part 2 of this series. The soda can prepared in this way is then screwed onto a threaded rod. Depending on the pitch of the thread, the strip gets a different width. The cutter that we use is prepared from wood, holding a blade from a regular crafting knife into position. In part 3 of this series, it is explained in detail how to make the cutter. Place the cutter near the soda can and use your wrist to gently move the blade towards the can. The pressure should be strong enough to create a score line. With the second hand, slowly turn the can to create a spiral score line. Now we search for the start of the strip. And then we pull around 30 centimeters from the strip of the soda can with a pair of pliers. The strip is then loaded onto the strip winder. The strip is then wound into a roll with the aid of an electric drill. The making of the strip winder and the loading will be shown in detail in the third video. Now we come to the unloading process, which is shown here in detail. It is quite tricky because the strip still carries a certain mechanical tension, so if you don't secure the roll, it will explosively unfold. Remove the nuts on both sides and the supports so that the roll comes to stand alone. Try to grip the roll with 2 fingers and then wiggle the roll back and forth. And at the same time try to pull the roll off the screw until you have it in hand. Then secure the roll with tape to prevent unwinding. Okay, back to the label printer. I'm sure you're familiar with this product, and this again gives me the opportunity to do some promotion for myself. So if you like what you see, I can assure you that among my videos you will find other things that interests you and are worth subscribing to my channel. So instead of the plastic tape, we will feed our aluminum strip into the label printer. The idea looks nice, but please keep in mind that the transport mechanism in the printer will not find a grip on the aluminum. Therefore, the strip will not be transported. So it is necessary to make a small support table next to the printer to indicate the distance between the letters to have some kind of orientation. Mark the starting point. Choose the letter you need and then transport the aluminum strip by hand the required length. This type of label can be used outdoors for plants if you want to make sure you can still read the label next season. So this is it for this episode. Please don't miss part 2 and 3, where I will give more details and examples. Stay creative and so long.